Okay, good morning po. You're here right now, si Miss Yads, ang ating commissioner po ng Inter Doha Volleyball Tournament. Interim game po, interim league po ito. Ma'am, tell me about your league po. And also invite them also to watch and to support the new league, newly funded league po sa Doha.
Good morning po. Good morning sa lahat. Yes, it is our first day na maglaro kami sa paliga namin na ito. We call it IDVL, Inter Doha Volleyball League.
Volleyball league, so not
Yes,
tournament.
po.
Sorry, I stand corrected.
And this is our first day and we're thankful and grateful na natuloy na po kami. Ang paliga pong ito is we are intending to do this para po sa mga kababayan natin during the weekend na mas marami pa silang option na pwedeng salihan na maglaro. At saka yung goal namin dito is to have fun na fair and yung friendly na approach. So ayun, iniimbitahan po namin ang lahat na sana suporta po kayo. Tuloy yung pagsuporta niyo at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga team na sumali sa first season natin. Sana po tuloy-tuloy tayo at sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat at iwas injury po tayo. Maraming salamat.
And also, may comment na po, I believe so ito parang to discover new talents po. I believe so may mga bagong buka po tayo dito.
Absolutely. And hopefully soon we can also launch or feature or implement to have a new category for the younger ones who are
Beginners.
Beginners and aspiring players para po mabigyan ng chance ang lahat.
Okay.
Sana po patuloy lang yung suporta nyo para tuloy-tuloy tayo.
With it po, Ma'am Yads, ang ating po commissioner po.
Thank you.
And thank you po and good luck and more power po sa bagong kakatatag po na liga po ito. With it, thank you po. Bye. Bye.